Hey there and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to return products on Trendyol step-by-step guide. So, if you have purchased anything from Trendyol, you have 30 days to try out on your new items. If you're not happy with your order, you can simply send back the items you don't want to keep. So, to do it, first of all, you have to go to trendyol.com. This link See this link carefully, look at this, and then go to this site. Click on your profile icon after selecting your country, then and now you have to click on the profile icon in the top right corner. You will see your profile icon, this one. You can change your country location. Then from the after logging in, from the drop down, select my orders. You will see option called my orders. Find the option called my orders, then select the items you want to return and choose the reason for each one. Print the return label provided by Trendyol. Pack the items securely and include the printed return label inside or on the package. Take your package to a nearby return drop-off point listed by Trendyol. That's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.